Myself, Ilan Sawan, President Rotary Club of Mapsa City. Along with me, my event coordinator, Rotarian Samir Toraskar, and our sports chairperson, Rotarian Balkrishna Miskin. This tournament is organized in the memory of our hardcore Rotarian Sanjay Gaude. That's why it is named as a Rotarian Sanjay Gaude Memorial Football Trophy. This is the second edition hosted by Rotary Club of Mapsa City in association with Gino Pharmaceutical Private Limited. Total 8 teams are participating in this event. Rotary Club of Panji, Dona Paula, Porvorim, then we have a club from Vasco, Port Town, then Margao Midtown, Rotary Club of Bicholim, then Rotary Club of Mapsa Illet, and the host club, Rotary Club of Mapsa City.
The President Vilan, the Rotarian Vilan, guest of honor, Rotarian Dr. Pramod, and all members of Rotary Club of Mapsa City, the organizers, and all the Rotary clubs from Goa. We have taken the time to come to this futsal ground to participate in this tournament, ladies and gentlemen. No, I am very happy to be present here. This is the second time I am coming to see futsal. I don't know how many of you know that Sargaon was very popular once in football. Right from 1955, 56 onwards, they were. But that time, perhaps futsal, nobody thought that futsal will come and start playing a major role. I have been seeing futsal whenever, on TVs and other games. But when the Rotary Club of Mapsa City last year, they decided to organize this tournament, futsal tournament, in memory of one of their members, Sanjay Gaude, who unfortunately passed away while he was the president of the club. They decided to commemorate his memory. His memory is to be kept alive by organizing this tournament. And if I remember well, that you was keen to start this futsal tournament. And I am happy that you have taken them. There are clubs from Vasco, there are clubs from Margao. We have come all the way to participate. And the difference between the old clubs and new clubs are very obvious. When I see Rotary Club of Dona Paula, when I see Rotary Club of Port Town, that is the town I come from, Vasco, difference is obvious. Nothing to feel bad. The Rotary Club of Panjim should not feel bad about this. It is ultimately you have tried your level best, you have won one game and you have lost to a better team, both in terms of physics, in terms of age. So that is natural, it is going to happen. But what is more important is you are participating in this tournament, which makes the Rotary Club of Mapsa City happy about their intention of keeping the memory of Sanjay Gaude perpetual. So, as Dr. Pramod said, this is not a time for big speeches. But I had to speak a little bit of this tournament because some of you might be coming for the first time, like Port Town. I think they were not there last year. Dona Paula also was not there, if I remember. They were not there. So this information is sufficient for you. Please do keep participate. It is winning or losing is a matter of the way you look at it. But ultimately, you are participating. Even they said this. I see some of the elderly person when they were playing. I remember when I was in Vasco, there is a Tilak ground there. Many of you. And we used to go to the Tilak ground to see these matches. And while they are playing, our feet, both the feet, we used to play without ball on the ground when we are seeing. Likewise, today, when we are seeing the senior people playing, we are also feeling like going and playing, joining you all and playing this game, futsal, with you. So, of course, the best team and the most fit team will win this trophy. And but I want everybody to keep trying even for next year. Today there are quite a few clubs who have not come, and I hope that they will come, participate, and make this tournament one of the best tournaments in Goa. All the best to all of you, and it is I must express my thanks to members of the Mapsa City, Rotary Club of Mapsa City, for inviting me as a chief guest here. And one more thing, that yes, we are sponsoring this tournament to help them to keep the memory of Sanjay Gaude alive. At the outset, I would like to thank our chief guest of this evening, PDG Dilip Sargaonkar sir. Guest of honor, Rotarian Dr. Pramod Sargaonkar, Madam. Without you all, this tournament would have not been possible. Thank you, President, for giving us, motivating us to take this tournament further. Thank you so much. I would thank cheerful and enthusiastic sponsor of this tournament who have helped us to carry forward this tournament. And also all the Rotarians who have come and playing, exhibiting their skill from various parts of Goa. Thank you so much. Love you all. Last but not the least, I would thank our core committee members who have selflessly helped day and night, coordinating, helping. Thank you so much. 4 cheers to you. I would thank once again all and enjoy the fellowship. Thank you so much.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.